Are you interested in selling goods online? Or doing any business online? Or putting your new product online? Shopify is for you. What is Shopify? Shopify is a complete commerce platform that lets you start, grow, and manage a business. Its expertise and leadership in commerce comes from the millions of experiences. It has all the right features to not only power commerce today but to help shape and define what the industry looks like tomorrow. How does Shopify work? Shopify unifies all of your commerce onto a single platform. With Shopify, merchants can build and customize an online store and sell in multiple places, including web, mobile, in-person, and pop-up shops, and across multiple channels from social media to online marketplaces. Shopify is completely cloud-based and hosted, which means you can access it from any connected compatible device and will handle software and server upgrades and maintenance for you. This gives you the flexibility to access and run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. On any given day, a commerce business requires an array of tools to manage products, inventory, payments, and shipping, and they spend a lot of time and money stitching the disparate systems and data together. Shopify groups those technologies together and ensures that you can easily access and integrate any other business tools you need to make Shopify work for your business. What can you sell on Shopify? Shopify offers solutions to sell not only physical products but also services, memberships, event tickets, classes, digital cards, and even accept donations. Moreover, there is no limit to the number of products and services that you sell online. If you trade in intangible products, Shopify is a great option to sell your products online. If you don't have any products and services, you can opt to start a dropshipping enterprise. Its dropshipping solution allows you to sell products without actually holding on to any inventory whatsoever. Pros of using a Shopify. Shopify comes with a set of tools that helps ease your e-commerce efforts. Besides creating additional revenue and accessing more customers for your business through online sales, it also offers the many benefits such as ease of use. Shopify helps you sell goods or services with a minimal amount of configuration. Mobile-friendly designs for your online store. The benefits of having an online store are that it allows for a rapid buying/selling process and ease in terms of finding the best product for customers. Excellent Shopify support. With Shopify's e-commerce platform, you get round-the-clock customer support. Ability to use your own domain name. With Shopify, you can use your own domain name. You can connect it to Shopify from your store's admin. Social media integration. With Shopify, you can not only sell on the web but through social media, online marketplaces, brick-and-mortar locations, and pop-up shops. Amazing themes. With Shopify, you can customize or build the look and feel of your store by changing the website theme to suit your branding needs. Fantastic plugins. Shopify offers users the option to extend the online site functionality of their online store through plugins. Cons of using Shopify. Like any application, Shopify can fall short on some aspects. For example, Shopify charges a monthly fee to use the platform while open source solutions are free to download. Some of the cons of Shopify are theme customization challenges. The most common type of Shopify theme issue is probably compatibility with HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code. Often these issues relate to how different browsers, operating systems, and devices display your Shopify theme's design and layout. Transaction fees. Although most shopping carts have dropped their transaction fees entirely over the years, Shopify has retained its 0.5% to 2.0% fees transaction fees. Users, however, have the option to have Shopify waive these fees when you accept payments through Shopify Payments. Expensive add-ons. Though Shopify offers almost every basic feature, it does lack many advanced features that e-commerce businesses might need. To get these advanced features, you will need to purchase add-ons. In some cases, the cost of add-ons can significantly increase your monthly subscription fees. Content management issues. Some issues related to content management when it comes to Shopify include the inability to edit tag pages, duplicate content, duplicate page titles, forced URL structure, and limits on page titles and meta descriptions. Why Shopify? Shopify supports the entire e-commerce community. Online, offline, and everywhere in between. Shopify is home to the largest, most diverse set of entrepreneurs, merchants, developers, and partners. It is global. It empowers entrepreneurs around the world to create, connect, and innovate their businesses. It also empowers creative expression. There should be more unique voices, stories, and experiences, not fewer, and that's why Shopify's product with the greatest amount of extensibility, flexibility, and expression. It is the most integrated commerce platform out of the box. Shopify absorbs unnecessary complexity. Shopify is built to scale with you. No matter your technical maturity, growth, size, complexity, location, you will never lack access to technology and features to build your business, and you will never outgrow Shopify as your needs change, scale, or evolve. Shopify gives its users an amazing experience with its amazing features. Don't forget to tell us your experience with Shopify, or if you have any questions, you can ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching.